Hershberger with J&E Projects. This here is my wife, Esther. And we're just kind of doing an introductory in here, telling you a little bit about us, how we do things, what we do and how we do it. As you can see, we have some electrical equipment here. Generally, we're not on the grid. We have electrical equipment, but we have our own power source. This here in the corner here is my power source, battery pack. We have solar panels on the roof to keep these charged, but rainy days like today, we need generators to kind of maintain our battery source, or power source. And for that, we have them out here. This here is the generator that we use for smaller stuff. When I run my smaller equipment, hand tools and stuff like that. This is my gen set for when I run my bigger equipment, like my welder and big lathe and stuff like that. Now some of you guys, when you see my email, I've had people question me whether I have a legitimate email. We do not have computer, we do not have internet. But what you see here is a computerless email. It is a legitimate email. We can receive and send emails, but if you send me a document that I need to sign, I cannot sign it on this email. A document that I have to open and sign, I cannot do that here. So in that case, you need to fax it to me. And then I can sign it and fax it back. But as you see, we've got a card reader. We can use credit cards or whatever. And back here in the corner, the buggy you see back there, that black buggy, that is our mode of transportation. Generally, that's how we get around. We hitch a horse to that and away we go. Now for longer distances, we do hire drivers to take us longer distances. Now for some of the equipment, machinery and stuff, some of the processes we go through for manufacturing our product. Here is our metal brake. This is my shear where I cut my material. And here we have a circle cutter. I'll show you how this works. So that is one of my circles that I use for spinning funnels, and it works great. I love this machine. Here. Now this is how I spin my funnels. Now this is what you call manual labor. What they look like. This here machine is my small lathe where I use to cut my centrifuge. Kind of a messy process. So that's how that is done. And here we have a setup with the recirculating tubs, a prospector with the old style wash box. Now as you all know, that our old style wash box used to sit on the machine like this. We have changed that process. We've come up with something better. This is our new style wash box. And it sets on like that and flips up for easy clean out. A lot easier to clean out and a lot easier to work with. Now these recirculating tubs, we can make any configuration or any amount of tubs that you want. We can put them together any way you need them. This pump is a 1,100 gallon bilge pump. It's a 12 volt battery operated pump. It will run the prospector or the creek side with the wash box on it. Battery connections right there. Here we have a 800 gallon bilge pump that we use on the electric model. Our little gold miser, we call it now. That is our little gold miser. And we're coming up with some new things on our wash box. Number one, we're starting to do them silver vein instead of gold vein. We think it looks better on the machine, silver vein. And we're going with a new powder coater. Now, you guys that have seen us at the events, seen our machines work, probably have noticed that the powder coat peels out of the wash box. That's because we weren't getting the quality paint that we needed. The new powder coater that we're going to now is doing a lot better job. It's a lot better quality finish, a lot harder paint, sticks a lot better, and we're hoping to have a lot better quality from here on. Another thing we're doing is right here where our legs mount to, we're putting a little spacer on there for a little more beef on the hole so it doesn't wear out quite as quick. A little more durability. And the inventory that I have here now, I have 3 creek sides ready for immediate sale, ready to go. We've got 4 prospectors on the shelf, ready to go. We've got 4 electric models on the shelf, ready to go. And I am in the process of making wash boxes for inventory, ready to go. Thanks for watching the video, and you have a wonderful day, and we hope to hear from you soon.